Today, we're going to look at how to inspect and clean your battery. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Now, first off, you'll want to look for cracks or electrolyte leaks on the battery box. Next, check the hold down. Keep in mind that if it's too tight, it'll damage the case. Also, look for signs of overcharging, like electrolyte pooling on top or leaking down the sides. Next up, see if the terminals are secure. Your CAT dealer can tell you about proper torque values. And remember, every 1,000 hours, you'll need to check the battery's fluid level. To do this, just screw off the cap and look inside. If it's low, add distilled water till the internal lead plates are submerged. To clean your battery, start by getting rid of dirt and debris. But don't use compressed air. It causes static electricity, which could cause an explosion. Disconnect the cables, negative first. Next, use a baking soda or ammonia solution to clean the battery. Remove the rest of the cleaning solution from the battery. If there's corrosion on the posts, use a small bristle brush. And if it's not coming all the way off, try fine grit sandpaper. Finally, reassemble the terminals to the posts and apply a bit of CAT dielectric grease over the connections if needed. For more information and support, contact your CAT dealer, and always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.